Okay. So, as millennials, one of the millennials, ma'am, maraming mga term yung mga Gen Z, Gen Alpha generation ngayon na medyo hindi ko naiintindihan. And let's find it out. Find it out. Sa sarili kong anak na isang Gen Alpha. Hoy anak, so ano daw? Mag-aasa ko sa'yo ng mga question na words and then explain it to mami kung anong ibig sabihin nun kasi hindi naiintindihan ni mami. Please lower down the volume. Dali. Let's make an experiment. Okay, as a Gen Alpha, marami kayong mga terms na hindi naiintindihan ng mga moms. So, even Gen Z. Can you turn off the volume? Okay. So, the first word I'm gonna ask you is, what is Riz?
When you have something that you can get others.
Oh, Riz? How do you use that in sentence?
I don't know.
So you have like charisma, like you're cute, like that?
No.
Or no?
Rich
Riz.
means
This one is I know, but
what?
I think I know this. What is sus?
Acting weird.
Oh, acting sus, like suspicious. Sus. Bakit mo shortcut? Like tinatanggal niyo yung whole world. World word.
So we don't have to like.
Oh.
see the whole
Ito, may ganitong words sa mga mom. But we're using it na pag magkikipag-usap. But sa inyong Gen Alpha, ano ibig sabihin ng chat?
chat.
Chat. Not chat like text message or message. What is chat?
I don't know what that means.
Ah,
The
di mo
chat I
alam.
know means
Chat.
texting.
Oh, not guys. Like, let's go chat. Let's go guys.
Oh, you mean chat?
Ah, shot. Mali ang aking pronunciation pala, guys.
Chat or shot?
Shot. I don't know how to pronounce it. It's spelled like CHAT, like chat, like text messaging or what sa mga mom. So, you know what is shot.
I say it, but I don't know the meaning.
Okay.
The only reason I say
So, what's the bet?
bet?
I think I like bet. Like, bet ko to. Bet.
No, bet I like you like bet is like
You like it? You like
bet,
that person?
Like you like bet money and then whoever wins they get it.
No, that's not the bet. Ano yun, pustahan yun eh. Sa millennials, sa aming mga mom, alam namin yun. But the bet, it's like, okay.
Bet
What's
means
the
like
Lulu?
yes.
Oh, next, the Lulu.
What's Lulu?
The Lulu.
I don't know either.
The Lulu, like the Lulu, you're so the Lulu.
I don't know.
Oh, may mga term ang Gen Z na hindi pa alam ng mga Gen Alpha pala. Oh, what is cap?
Like liar.
A liar. So you're a cop. The last... Okay, charge lang. And what is salty? Not salty like salt. Like, what is salty? You're so salty. Don't be salty to me, ganun. Salty, like giving me an attitude.
I don't know what's up.
Oh, Gen Z term din yun. What is lit?
Lit means like it's like
Ano?
terms of good, nice, like this party is so fire, like lit.
Oh.
Like the party is so.
How about this skibidi?
That's not even a word. That's from a that
Expression?
iPad kids say that all the time. It's not a.
What is
it's not a
skibidi?
word. It's
It's not a word. You cannot use that in sentence. What?
It's this.
Skibidi. And you're looking that in Google?
No. How do you spell it? Okay.
Skividi.
No, I know.
Skividi. Oh, yuck. I saw a snake. Next word is Ohio.
Oh, like it's like a state that we like.
That's Ohio in state.
Yeah, we like say. I say that.
Oh, so hindi niya din alam yun.
No,
What
I
is
know
tea?
It. I know it, but I just
T.
don't know,
Spell the T.
like spill
Gossip.
what happened. Like,
Oh, gossip.
Like,
What is Gia?
what?
Okay, last. What is mewing? What's that?
Mewing.
Oh, that's mewing. That's what you always do to mommy, right? Mewing. Okay. So, yon. Sabi niya, ba't daw ako nag-ask ng ganong question? Merong mga term na medyo naiintindihan ko, like spill the tea, naririnig ko yon, or lit, or sas. Pero ang dami-daming term nila na iniiba na nila. I don't know if sarili nila lang vocabulary yon as Gen Z, or nare-recognize na siya sa ano natin, like word of dictionary or whatsoever. But hindi ko alam kung kailangan ba nating mga mom, like millennials mom, or meron pa yata mga baby boomers mom, na parents particularly, na matutunan yung ganong mga salita ng mga kids. And nakakatawa kasi how nag-change yung world sa ganong bagay. And that's it. Yun lang. Na-share ko lang kung paano alam talaga ng anak ko pala yung mga ganong term. Even though, dito sa bahay, hindi ko naman siya kinakausap ng mga ganong term. Maybe naririnig niya sa mga playmates niya or sa school o sa mga pinapanood niya. Bit of advice na lang siguro as parent is maging mapanuri tayo sa mga nangyayari sa mga anak natin. It's either good or bad. Lagi lang natin silang bigyan ng gabay. And that's it!